Hello and welcome to the Easy English Podcast. Today is not another English lesson. Today is a reset. This is about something your teachers never explained. Something small but powerful. Something that can completely change the way you speak. By the end of this video, I want you to stand in front of a mirror and say, "Yes, now I understand. Now I can train my mouth to speak." So stay with me until the end, because this might be the turning point in your English journey. Part 1. The truth that sets you free. Let me ask you something. How many English videos have you watched? How many grammar rules do you know? How many podcasts have you listened to silently? And yet, when it's time to speak, your lips stop. Your tongue feels heavy. Your mind goes empty. It's not because you are bad at English. It's not because you are not smart. It's because your mouth is not trained. You trained your brain, but you forgot your speaking muscles. English is not only knowledge. English is movement. Your lips move differently. Your tongue changes position. Your jaw opens in a new rhythm. Think about this. Imagine reading 50 books about swimming. You understand everything, but you never enter the water. What happens when you jump in? You panic. That is exactly what happens when you try to speak English without mouth training. In your native language, you practiced sounds for years, since childhood, thousands of repetitions. But in English, you rarely trained sounds like th, or soft T, or linking words together. So your speech feels slow, broken, unnatural. But here's the good news. You can train your mouth, just like training your body, and you only need 5 minutes a day. Part 2. The 5-minute daily mouth workout. You don't need hours. You need focus. 5 minutes every day for 30 days, and your speech will change. Let's begin. Step 1. Mouth warm-up. 1 minute. Just like exercise, your mouth needs warming up. Roll your lips gently. Brrr. 3 times. Push your tongue out slowly. 10 times. Open your mouth wide. Close it. 5 times. Smile big. Hold for 5 seconds. Relax. Why? Because your mouth was using your native rhythm all day. Now you switch to English mode. A relaxed mouth speaks better. Step 2. Mirror power. 1 minute. Look into your own eyes. Choose one simple sentence. I am building my English voice. Say it slowly. Watch your lips move. Repeat 5 times, each time a little faster. It may feel strange, but after a few days, you will feel stronger. Confidence grows when you face yourself. Step 3. Shadow copy. 2 minutes. Choose a short sentence from a video, only 5 seconds long. Example, I'm not sure about that. Listen, immediately repeat it. Match the speed, match the tone. Don't change it, don't slow it down. Repeat again and again. This connects your ears, brain, and mouth together. This is how children learn. They hear, they copy, they repeat. Step 4. Speed loop. 1 minute. Choose one sentence. Example, I will improve every day. Say it 3 ways. Slow. I will improve every day. Normal. I will improve every day. Fast and smooth. I will improve every day. Repeat the cycle 3 times. This teaches your mouth comfort with speed. 5 minutes. That's it. But do it daily. Part 3. Stop speaking like a robot. Many learners speak word by word. I am going to school. But fluent speakers connect words. I'm going to school. English flows like music. It has rhythm. Instead of thinking word by word, think in sound groups. Example, What are you doing? Sounds like what you doing. Did you eat becomes did you eat? I don't know becomes I don't know. These are sound clusters. Practice 3 clusters daily. Write them, say them like a song. Example, gotta go now. Repeat 10 times smoothly, then create a sentence. I gotta go now, see you later. Say it as one piece. Record your voice, listen for flow, not perfection. You don't need a British accent, you need smooth rhythm. Part 4. Train the brain, too. Sometimes your mouth is ready, but your mind is afraid. What if I sound silly? What if I make mistakes? Here is the truth. Your mouth cannot speak what your brain does not believe, so train both. Speak with emotion instead of, I am happy to be here. Say it with feeling. I'm happy to be here. Smile. Feel it. English is emotion in sound. Speak like an actor. Choose a sentence. I'll call you later. Say it excited. Say it angry. Say it nervous. When you act, fear disappears. You stop judging. You start expressing. Move your body. Stand up. Use your hands. Movement helps memory. Energy builds confidence. English is not quiet, it is alive. Part 5. Smart repetition. Repetition is powerful, but not robotic repetition. Take one sentence. I'm proud of myself. Stage 1. Slow and clear. Stage 2. Natural flow. Stage 3. 3 emotions. Stage 4. Fast with control. Stage 5. Use it in real life. Example, job interview. I'm proud of myself for finishing this project. Talking to a friend. I'm proud of myself today. Embarrassed moment. Well, I'm proud of myself anyway. One sentence, 5 layers. That builds real fluency. Say this with me. I don't repeat to remember. I repeat to become. Part 6. The final choice. Let's be honest, you already know what to do. Speak out loud, practice daily, train your mouth. But you wait, you watch more videos, you collect more tips, and you stay silent. There are 2 types of learners. One watches for hours, the other practices for 5 minutes. One collects information, the other builds transformation. Which one are you? If you don't train, you will stay silent. That's not negative, that's reality. But if you train every day for the next 30 days, your voice will change, your fear will shrink, your confidence will rise. Fluency is not talent, it is daily training. It happens in your room, in front of your mirror, in quiet mornings, in small repetitions nobody sees. One day, people will say, wow, your English is so good. They won't see the practice, but you will know, and that feels powerful. Your declaration. Say this out loud right now. I will not stay silent. I will train my mouth every day. I will speak even if I make mistakes. This voice is mine. You don't need perfection. You need courage. You don't need more lessons. You need more speaking. Your fluency begins the moment your fear ends. This is your voice. This is your time. Start today. And remember, the most fluent people are not the smartest. They are simply the ones who refused to stay silent.